It's been getting hot outside, and my office is even more hot. We don't have central air. I have a beefy computer generating heat, and my windows won't work with standard AC units. But now, I have a portable 3-in-1 AC unit so I can chill whenever I want. And this 8,000 BTU AC unit from Cowsar comes shipped to your door, ready to cool your area too. Inside the box, you have your instructions, batteries and remote, an expandable vent, and drainage hose, vent hoods, a window track, and then your AC unit. To get started, we need to sit the AC unit upright for 4 hours. So we waited until morning and began. First, measure out your window opening and expand the track to fit the window. Next, put the nut lock into the groove and tighten that down most of the way. Slide it into the window and then close the window onto the track. Make any adjustments you need, then tighten it down the rest of the way. Now we're going to take our vent hood and slide it into the back of the AC unit. Expand your vent and then rotate it to lock it into the vent hood. Then grab the other vent hood and rotate it to lock all the pieces together. Connect your vent to the track in the window and then screw that down. Plug in your AC unit and then you can power it on and start cooling down your area. On top of the AC unit, you can adjust from sleep mode, cool, fan, and dehum. You can turn the temperature all the way down to 62 degrees Fahrenheit and really chill out. You can cycle through high, low, timer, and waterfall. Then the AC unit has a built-in water tank with the hose attachment option for drainage on the back. When I finished setting this up, it was 86 degrees in my office and getting hotter. But after turning it on, my office began cooling down rather quickly. But what's nice about this is since it's on wheels, I can roll it over and aim it directly at my desk. The wind is strong, and it feels so good on a hot day like today. Not to mention, my computer won't be overheating anymore and perform better. After it had ran for a couple of hours, I was actually starting to get kinda cold and put on a blanket. Then when the sun set, I had to shut it off and turn on my fireplace. Before this, I would just leave my office when it got hot, work outside, and wait for it to cool down. Now I don't have to leave my office anymore when it gets hot. And above all else, I can comfortably get my work done. It went from almost 90 degrees to an icebox in here in just a few hours, and I couldn't be happier. I've been using this throughout the hot parts of the day for about a week now, and I still haven't had to empty the tank. I was a little worried that I'd have to be emptying it every day, but it has a large storage capacity and has been so great to use. So if you'd like to cool down your area as well, this AC unit from Cowsar might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go relax in my nice and cool office. See ya!